Welcome back to Database Session. I hope you are doing very well. In this video, I will show you how to mirror the Snowflake database to Microsoft Fabric platform. So before going to start, I request to viewer to please subscribe this channel and like this video if you find this video helpful. Now let's get started and see how to mirror the Snowflake database to Microsoft Fabric platform. So first of all, what is the mirror? Mirroring in Microsoft Fabric, you can bring data from different systems into Fabric platform. Currently, mirroring support Snowflake database, Azure SQL database, Cosmos DB, and Microsoft Databricks database. According to Microsoft, mirroring is a low-cost and low-latency solution that can continuously replicate your existing data this platform outside of Fabric directly into Fabric OneLake. You can also see here documentation by Microsoft. What is the mirroring? You can also see here as a data replication solution, Microsoft Fabric is a low latency and low cost, low latency solution to bring data from various systems together into single analytics platform. Okay, and why is mirroring? You can read this article, and you can also see here currently support Azure Cosmos DB, Azure Databricks, Azure SQL database, and Snowflake. I will put this link to description box. You can copy from there and read this article. How does the near real-time replication of mirror work? You can read this article. Now let's see this Microsoft Fabric mirror database from Snowflake. I will also put this link to description box. Now let's demonstrate how to mirror Snowflake database, this Snowflake database to Microsoft Fabric platform. First of all, I want to create new workspace for demonstration. So let's create here, name it Snowflake here mirror DB. Okay. I encourage you to write some description. I am writing here only mirror, and let's apply. Here we create here new workspace for demonstration and we want to mirror. So click on this new item, and these are the service available for data engineering experience. Okay, so we want to mirror. Now we focus on mirroring. So search here mirror, and you can see here Snowflake mirrored. So click on this. Now click on this Snowflake, select this, and here we require server, warehouse, and authentication kind. Okay, so let's go to here Snowflake database. Here I am using trial account, and this is my web UI. How to create trial account Snowflake? You can see from my video. We already created video on how to create trial account. You can see on my channel. Okay, so we have demo DB and we have only one table in this demo DB public schema. So let's create another table for, so that we have two table. I am creating customer table from Snowflake sample database. We have another database from this schema, and we want to create only 500 records. So control enter to execute, and we successfully created customer table. So let's see. You can see here 500 records. So let's go to click on this and account, and go to here, and you can see here pay per click icon. Click on this to copy URL. This is my server address. Paste here and remove this https:// we do not require here. And now we need here warehouse. So again go to Snowflake, and you can see here admin tab and warehouse. Currently we using here compute_wh warehouse. This is my warehouse name. So I am copy this and paste here. Use appropriate warehouse as you used in Snowflake. Okay, so I want to create here new connections. Click on create new connection, name it connection name Snowflake mirror DB. Okay, And authentication type, we have two authentication, Snowflake and Microsoft account. So we choosing here by Snowflake, and we require here username. So we use here username sfdws and type here password of a Snowflake and click here to connect. This specific connection name is already exist, so I am typing one. Now connect again, connecting to data source. Now we require here, we need to select here database. So let's wait, it's loading to Microsoft Fabric environment. Here successfully loaded to Microsoft Fabric environment. We interested in demo underscore db, so select this and click here connect. Now table is loading to here, you can see here loading. Now select, you can select here a specific table which you want to mirror to Microsoft Fabric. I want to select all table, and also check here automatic mirror future table. So click on this and connect, create mirrored database. Let's wait. You can see here mirror Snowflake is starting. You can click here monitor application to monitor the mirror, and you can click here to refresh this. Still no data has landed, so refresh again. Let's wait for few seconds. After 15 to 20 seconds, we successfully created here mirrored, and here two table is running now. Now close this monitor. You can also monitor from here, and you can click here to stop the replication, configure replication. You can see here the replication, what do you want to select table. So I am closing here, cancel changes, and now go to workspace. This workspace we created, and this is the semantic model for DemoDB, and this is the data warehouse created in Microsoft Fabric environment. So click on this and let's wait, it's loading, and you can see here DemoDB application is created, and this is the schema for Microsoft Fabric environment. And if I expand this, you can see here public, which we have a schema in Snowflake. This is the public schema, and these are the two table we replicate here. So if you want to query, click on new query, and you can see here select star from public customer and run this, and you can see here data. You can see here data. If you want to count the records, run this query, 500 records. Let's insert some more records. So inserting some more records to customer table, TVL customer table. Let's insert 2,000 records from Snowflake sample data to TVL customer. Here 2000 record inserted in customer table. Let's see records. Here is 2500 records in TVL customer table. Let's create another table for demonstration. Let's create two table, and you can see here these two table created, and in this table 500 records, and this table 2500 records. So same should be replicated in this environment. So it's take only 10 to 15 seconds to replicate. So if I refresh this, it's automatically refreshes. and you can see here one table is already created. And let's again refresh this. So let's count for now customer table records. So still 500 records. Let's wait for 10 to 15 seconds. Now you can see here all table is replicated, and now let's also fire this query. Still 500 records still not loaded. Let's count records for customer table 1. Here 500 records replicated, and this table customer table 2, 500 records. Let's remove this and let's see for TVL customer. Now you can see here 2500 records available in this TVL customer, automatically replicated to Microsoft Fabric environment. So in this video we have completed the replication from a Snowflake database to Microsoft Fabric environment or Fabric platform. So that's all about in this video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe this channel and like this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.